Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. As you can see, this is Military Nursing Service examination concerning mock test 8. I had already discussed up to 7 and previous year question paper also. Even 800 plus videos have been uploaded. You can directly just go through them. Initially, we have GK and current affairs. That is the maiden person to get the pilot license in India. We should know J.R.D. Tata. He is the first person to got the pilot license in India. The longest flyover of India is located in which place? That is located in Hyderabad. The Golden Fort, as you can see right side of the slide, Jaisalmer Fort is the Golden Fort in India. As you can see, the sun rays falls on it. Then you will find the same as a Golden Fort. The Sabarimala Temple, which is located in Kerala. The largest mica producing state of Andhra for India is, that is Andhra Pradesh. Maximum mica is produced, which is used in the making of transistors. Next we have the fruit bowl of India. Himachal Pradesh is known as fruit bowl of India, where you will find maximum fruits, apple and etc. Next, Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Reservoir, as you can see right side, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. The least populated state in India is Sikkim, where you have the least population, but the area wise is Goa is the smallest in area. The longest border with China is Arunachal Pradesh has got the longest border. The only place in South India maximum rainfall occurs is Lambasangi, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, where you have maximum rainfall in it. Next we have the College of Defence Management is situated in Secunderabad, where the management will be done by the various personnel. The tribe is native of Andaman and Islands. You will find these kind of tribe. They are known as Zarawans. You have more than various tribes over there. That is Champagne, Zarawans are few examples of main tribes. This tribe is located in Andaman Islands. The Center for DNA Fingerprinting is located at Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, this kind of DNA fingerprinting center is situated. Fire and Forget anti-tank missile, that is Nag. We have Shastra air-to-air missile also. The Naval Hydrographic Office is situated in which place? That is located in Dehradun. Kanha National Park is not the UNESCO World Heritage Site, but Nalanda, Kanchenjunga, Capital Complex at Chandigarh. These three are UNESCO World Heritage Site, but Kanha National Park is not the part of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. PIN number, we are aware that postal index number, as you can see my village PIN number 515581. This is my postal index number. I hope you will be having the same as usual. ASHA stands for, there are various workers to the village level, they are working health activists, they are ASHA workers. ASHA stands for accredited social health activist. The Indian city which experiences longest period of sunlight during summer, that is Srinagar. The river integrates into the great desert of India is Loni River. This Loni River is the saltest river in India, which comes from the Mount Abu, Aravalli. As you can see, Aravalli range, from there this great Loni River comes. This is the longest river in India, which is in Rajasthan. The National Atmospheric Research Laboratory is located, which is near to Tirupati. BHIM stands for Bharat Interface for Money, is the abbreviation of BHIM, which is a mobile app is based on Unified Payment Interface. You should know what exactly the BHIM is, that is Unified Payment Interface. BHIM stands Bharat Interface for Money. The category in which Sachin nominated as the member of Rajya Sabha, we should know the Rajya Sabha has got 12 members. Among them, one is Sachin Tendulkar. He is nominated in the category of social science. National Ayurvedic Day is celebrated on 25th of October. The river delta is world famous for jute production. That is Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is the famous river delta in the world. Next we have Give It Up campaign is related to what? That is LPG subsidy. This Give It Up campaign has been initiated by the government GST stands for all the taxes have compiled, and GST was introduced with amendment number 101. The largest inland saltwater lake in India is Sambar Water Lake. The easternmost part of India, that is in Andhra Pradesh, it's not Andhra Pradesh, AP stands Arunachal Pradesh, that is the easternmost part, but where the sun rises earlier, that is the place, that is Dong. You can go through internet, you will find exactly the Dong is situated to the easternmost of India. Southernmost of India is southernmost peninsula Kanyakumari, which is Tamil Nadu. Westernmost is Gujarat, you will find in the map. The state with the highest capacity of solar power, you can see recently great solar panels have been constructed, and now the highest capacity of solar power producing state is Tamil Nadu. Next we have the Union Territory has representation in Rajya Sabha, that is Puducherry, whose Lieutenant Governor is Kiran Bedi. The largest area under mangrove forest is Sundarban. We knew that in West Bengal we have a largest forest mangrove, that is Sundarbans. We should know that Sundarlal Bahuguna from West Bengal, who is famous for Chipko movement. The Indian national calendar Saka era, as you can see right side, it began from the Kanishka's calendar. It's also known as Kanishka's calendar 78 AD, stands Anna Domini. World's first teak museum is located in which place? That is in Neelambur. This is a famous place where you have the teak concerning museum is located. Please go through internet the pictures of Neelambur. The number of river basins we have total, that is 20 in all over the India. The total number of central armed police forces in India is 7. As you can see, BSF, CISF, Assam Rifles, these all are one type of central armed police forces. Chief Justice of India stands CJI, that is Chief Justice of India. The heart of industrial India, that is Chota Nagpur, is known as the heart of industrial India. First submarine museum is located in which place? That is located in Vizag. As you can see, one submarine lying over there, it has been constructed over there to visit the people as a submarine's life and their construction in the beach. The first technical university for women in India was established at New Delhi Technical University for Women. Next we have Aadhaar logo was designed by Atul S. Pandey. He had created the Aadhaar logo. You please remember these kind of questions be asked in examinations. Aadhaar logo, that is Atul S. Pandey. The Make in India was launched by Government of India on 25th of September 14. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is one of the India's program for elementary education. Indus Agreement, that is Indo-Pak Agreement between Indo-Pak, that agreement is known as Indus Agreement, has been taken place in 1960. The scheme Saubhagya is concerned with house electrification. Next we have the India's first home-built conventional submarine of Scorpion class is INS Kalvari. This is ingeniously built conventional submarine of Scorpion class. In nuclear, INS Arihant, but in the case of Scorpion, that is INS Kalvari. India's first multi-sports museum is located in which place? It is located in Kolkata. Even the biggest museum is located in Kolkata. The state introduced its own right to information legalization, that is Tamil Nadu had initiated its own right to information legislation. The slogan ecology is permanent economy given by, we should know, Chipko movement, that is Sundarlal Bahuguna. As you can see right side how he looks like, he belongs to West Bengal. The slogan ecology is permanent economy. Ecology stands whatever we have, the surroundings of plantation, everything. This is atmosphere, it's all ecology is a permanent economy. This slogan has been given by Sundarlal Bahuguna. The first state to establish virtual classrooms, that is in Tamil Nadu, they started having the virtual classes. This is the maiden state which started in India. We have the biology questions. The rigidity of cell wall is due to linen. So this is the reason why the cell wall is so rigid, because of linen. Hepatocytes are very extensive in liver cells. These hepatocytes, they are very extensive in which cells? Liver cells. The term cell is introduced by whom? The term cell is introduced by Robert Hooke. As you can see right side how the cell has been introduced in 1667, who examined thin slices of cork under a microscope. So this kind of cell has been introduced by Robert Hooke in 1667. Very important questions, please go through them. The powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria is known as powerhouses of the cell. The change of color of chameleon, as we are aware that chameleon changes the color according to the situations, is due to the chromatophores are present in the chameleon. As you can see, next, statistical study of human population is known as demography, where the population counting be given. When two individuals are differ in their external appearance but are similar in their genetic constitution, they are known as genotype. So what exactly the definition of genotype is? The two individuals are differ in their external appearance but are similar in their genetic constitution is known as genotype. Mendel worked on garden peas. As you can see, peas, Gregor Mendel has worked on garden pea plants. The number of chromosomes in garden pea is, that is near about 7 pairs you have in chromosomes in garden pea. The number of chromosomes present in human, that is 23 pairs, that is 23 into 2, that is 46 chromosomes. If you have one more chromosome, that is 47, you will be diagnosed with Down syndrome. Genetic code is a triplet. The stop or terminator condones in the genetic code are UAA, UAG, UGA. Please go through exactly what has been given in this. Whatever the stop or terminator condones in the genetic code are these UAA, UAG, UGA. These three are genetic code terminators. Next, we have one gene, one enzyme hypothesis was proposed by Beadle and Tatum. So this Beadle and Tatum scientists have proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis proposed. Dr. Hargobind Khurana has been awarded Nobel Prize Research on Genetic Code. As you can see, Hargobind Khurana, he is famous for father of Green Revolution, MS Swaminathan. Hargobind Khurana, who has been awarded Nobel Prize for the research on genetic code. In the case of MS Swaminathan, he is famous in Green Revolution. As you can see how he looks like, awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine for interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Next, we have the DNA structure was discovered by Watson and Crick. Scientists have found DNA structure. The two strands of DNA are anti-parallel and complementary. You should note deoxyribonucleic acid, how those two strands looks like anti-parallel and complementary in nature. The sugar in RNA is ribose. The transcription is the formation of mRNA. The basic building blocks of proteins are amino acids are the basic building blocks of proteins. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells. You should know what exactly meiosis and mitosis. Next, we have the DNA molecule doesn't contain uracil. So deoxyribonucleic acid, this molecule doesn't contain uracil. Next, we have the hereditary sequence in its complementary strand is ATC, TAG, CAA. Please go through whatever the questions have been given through internet. You have to work out little bit. The hereditary material in both plants and animals is, that is DNA is present in both and plant as well as animals. The three pyrimidine bases are cytosine, thymine and uracil. These are the three pyrimidines. As you can see how the pyrimidine structures, cytosine, thymine, uracil, where exactly they are present. Uracil present in RNA only and thymine in DNA, cytosine how they looks like the structure of those chemical formula. The sex of the child is normally determined by the chromosomes of father only. So it's very important question. The first life originated from the water. The branch deals with the study of the fossil is paleontology. Carbon dating method is used to determine the age of the fossil. C14. There is a scientist named as Buckminster Fullerene who found the C14 carbon dating method. The vermiform appendix in the human is an example of vestigial organs. We should know exactly what are the vestigial organs in our body. One is wisdom teeth, another is we have appendix, and we have various things in our body. You should know mammalian male. So these are all vestigial organs in our body. The distribution of living organism on earth is known as biogeography. Origin of species was written by whom? Darwin has formulated origin of species. Next we have physics. The photograph the brain tumor Hg201 radioisotope is generally used. So in the photo to photograph brain tumor, mercury 201 radioisotope is used. You should remember this. These are the few important questions where you will have the cutoff level will be greater margin for you. When a large number of conductors are electrically connected to the point, it is known as junction. What exactly junction does? A large number of conductors are electrically connected to one point. Next we have same flow of current in circuit is known as balanced circuit. Here you will have the balancing of same flow of current. Unit of specific resistance is ohm, centimeter, ohm meter. This is the specific resistance. Normal resistance is ohm, conductance is mho. Rectifiers are the one which are used to conversion of alternate current to direct current. Transistor stands for transfer of resistance. The most commonly used semiconductors are made of what? Silicon and glass. They are the most commonly used semiconductors. An example of p-type semiconductor is with silicon with boron. So this is one type of p-type of semiconductor, that is silicon with boron. The transistor was invented by John Bardeen, Walter H. Brattain and William Shockley. These transistors was invented by these scientists. You should know all these three scientists. These transistors are used in the computers as well as in electronic gadgets where silicon and germanium are mixed in it. Cathode ray tube you can find in a television set, that is CRT tube. Next we have Indian breads are a delight. Which of the following are not a bread form? That is, kabus are not a bread form, but paratha, chapati and puri can be seen. Next we have a major ingredient in Indian cooking is ghee, which is obtained from the vegetable oil. As you can see, this is clarified butter. What is the basic ingredient of curry? That is turmeric, which is the basic ingredient in our Indian cuisine. So you will be asked what is the basic ingredient of curry? That is turmeric. What is the table sugar? That is sucrose is table sugar. So a common salt is, that is sodium chloride. Which is a popular dish in Andhra Pradesh? That is biryani is used in Andhra Pradesh, which is a popular dish. Next we have the sucrose. How exactly the glucose and fructose difference is? Please you can directly go through whatever the instant energy is given by the glucose. The sweetest sugar is fructose. Next we have which is a major constituent of biogas? Methane. That is also known as producing gas or marsh gas, CH4. So it is a natural biogas. What is the garnish for tomato sauce? You should use croutons is the garnish for the tomato sauce. Cooking is defined as chemical process. Obviously it's a chemical process. What do you call Indian ice cream? That is, as you can see, our kulfi is one type of Indian ice cream. Lassi is a drink made from which place? It has been made from yogurt, that is curd. So I hope all these questions will be helpful for you. Few might be like difficult for you. If you have learned something difficult, I hope you have achieved something to learn new things. Thank you girls. Please message your friends. If you like it, please share it with me. If you get selected, please donate something with this mobile number by Google Pay or Phone Pay. Thank you girls. Have a good day. Have a great life. 7667302252. Have a good day. If you want any kind of PDF, you can call me for further career helping. Have a good day.